Hey y'all, welcome back to the shop. So today I'm going to show you everything I carry in my truck toolbox. As many of you know, we've got a landscape business and we pull a 24-foot enclosed trailer full of equipment just about everywhere we go. So you know what that means. There's always something going on the side of the road. You might have a trailer brake lock up. You might have a tire get a hole in it. There's always something. The trucks, our trucks are older trucks, and they don't give trouble much, but you know, sometimes you have to work on them on the side of the road. So here's everything we carry in the truck toolbox, which I'm sure is not everything we need. So we'll start going through it here. So we'll start off in this bag right here. First of all, we got this Cobalt 24-volt tire inflator, and this thing has saved our hind end so many times it's not even funny. It actually works really good. It takes a minute to pump up a tire with it, but it works great. Next thing we've got is our Cobalt 24-volt half-inch impact wrench. And if you need to change a tire on the side of the road, this is the tool to have. And we carry a couple of batteries, the charger, all that good stuff. And I don't keep the batteries in anything in case the trigger gets pulled or something. And in this bag we got a bunch of sockets and all kind of stuff. Next thing, we've got just a rigid cordless impact. And it works good for plug-in tires. You can put the reamer in here and you don't have to worry with it so much by hand. Anyway, that's everything in this bag. We carry this bit case for the cordless drill. Carry a section of rope and some big zip ties. You never know, we fixed a lot of stuff with zip ties. You might need to tie something down in your truck. This is a pulley puller and reinstaller that works real good for we have a 01 3500 Chevrolet with a Deer Max, and it works good pull like the power steering pump pulley and stuff like that off with. We always keep it with us. In this box we've got extra fuel filters and an idler pulley. And we always keep one of these kits right here with us. This one's brand new, it's never been opened. Let's open this one up and we'll look at it. These kits right here have got all kind of stuff you need in them. They got bukus of plugs. I mean, that's a lot. They got the heavy duty tire reamer and plug-in tool. Then you got this little box. It's got a razor knife, a valve stem tool. It's got extra valve stems, caps, all kind of handy stuff like that. You got a pair of needle nose pliers. Then you got an extra end for your tire plugger in case you break it. Got your Allen wrenches to put all the extra pieces in with. These are the handiest tire plugging kits. We've plugged so many tires on our trailers, even on our trucks on the side of the road, and use that inflator and pump them back up. We didn't have to change the tire. And we got our deep well sockets here for our impact. I carry about a whole set of Craftsman screwdrivers. A big C-clamp. If a caliper or something messes up on your truck and you have to change it on the side of the road, which we've done before, you got your C-clamp to push your caliper back in. Crowbar. We've used it a lot if the trailer brakes lock up to get the hub off of them. Mini crowbar. Got an adjustable wrench. 2 sizes of channel locks, or slip joint pliers people call them. pair of needle nose pliers, carry a set of open end wrenches, and this set of cobalt sockets. Like I said, it's not every tool you need, but it sure does help a lot. It's got us out of a lot of jams on the side of the road. Then in this bin, I've just got extra parts for the truck, roll of duct tape, a funnel, and there's a tape measure in here. And that's about it. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I carry this scanner with me because we've had our truck go into limp mode a couple of times, and I've used this scanner to reset it to get it off the side of the road. Now, I'm not telling y'all to do that. That's your decision with your vehicle. I don't know if it's a newer truck or something, it might void the warranty or something, but we do it with ours just to get them off the side of the road. We don't drive them very far like that. Guys, there's one thing I forgot to show. I had it laying there and I just forgot all about showing it. It's our Gulu jump starter bank. It's a 4,000 watt jump starter. When somebody showed me these things to start with, I thought they were nuts. I said, there's no way that this little bitty thing is going to crank a diesel truck. But by golly, it works great. We've cranked bulldozers. We've cranked our big diesel trucks, lawnmowers, tractors, all kind of stuff with this thing, and it works great. It works so good that we bought my father-in-law one for Christmas last year, and both of the boys one for Christmas last year. Well, the boys are out here today working on a 2007 3500 GMC. It's actually Isaac's truck, and they're putting a new injection pump on it. Now, how much did the shop want to put one on there, Isaac?
Around 2,500.
2,500 bucks. How much did you pay for the part?
600.
600 bucks. So he's gonna do it himself. They're really good at working on stuff. He's already had this truck all apart before and put it all back together. They work on a lot of stuff for a lot of people. Alright guys, if there's anything I've missed that you think is important I need to carry in this toolbox, let me know. I'm sure there's something I hadn't thought of. You guys have a blessed day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.